What is up, guys? Prize from PW Outdoors. Today we are doing the kill and cook video for dove. Dove season started just a few days ago, and but we're doing a twist. We're doing fried wiener dog. Say hi, Butter. Say I'm gonna be dinner. No, I'm just kidding. I won't eat my dog. That'd be bad. I'm gonna cook up a dove. I'm gonna fry it, and it's a dove I shot yesterday, and so I'm really looking forward to cooking it. See you, Butter. And hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks. Okay, guys, so like I said, I only shot one dove and I have the breast here. But let's go over the few things that I have that I'm gonna fry it with. So first, I just have 6 grade A large eggs right here. I mean, they're just normal sized eggs. But then next I have McConrick, I don't know how to say that, golden dipped easy fry all-purpose batter. I kind of just picked this out because it's all-purpose. It should work for everything. Now I have some vegetable oil, which you're gonna put the mid product after you have battered this into that with the pan. And now we have seasoning, yeah, and so we're gonna go ahead and cut this guy up, then we're gonna get cooking. Okay, guys, so now we're gonna chop this up. I really have no clue what I'm doing, but I just went and washed my hands, and I'm gonna make sure my hands are nice and clean because we are dealing with some raw meat, and when you're dealing with raw meat, there comes a lot of dangers with that. So I'm gonna get a towel really fast. And let's go ahead and slice this piece of dove up. Let's start. It's kind of, I'm not sure about this. I'm just going to try to get this meat right here. So sorry about that, guys. I'm just going to keep cutting along this piece of meat, and we're not going to get probably a whole lot of meat from this dude, and that's the reason why you're allowed to shoot 15 a day. It's because you don't get a whole lot of meat from one dove. So we're just cutting along right here. And I mean, it's not a whole lot of meat, but we'll try to get some more. This meat is so cold. There we go. That's going to be a good piece. Right there, that's a good piece. I'm just really trying to cut around this bone right here. So, this should be a good piece. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. So, that's probably about as much meat as we're going to get from him. Might be able to, yeah, it's going to be about as much meat as we're going to be able to get. So, I'm going to go, wow, that's not a lot of meat at all. I'm going to wash my hands and I'm going to get started with everything else. Let's call my sister and ask. Call Batman.
Calling elephant. Batman.
Yeah.
Do I whisk up the eggs?
Yes.
Okay, thank you, bye. Okay, yes, so I am supposed to whisk up these eggs, so let's go ahead and do that. Okay, so now that we have that, let's go ahead and put, let's see, go ahead and put this little piece in, and we're gonna the egg is so thick. I'm gonna let that sit for a second. Then I'm going to get my batter ready. Okay guys, so now all the birds in here. So now we're just gonna hope this doesn't turn out too bad. So we're gonna let that sit for a little bit. We're gonna let this sit for a little bit. It's got about 4 pieces of dove in there, all pretty small pieces. Then I'm gonna go ahead and get the olive oil going, or vegetable oil going in the pan, and try not to burn my house down. Okay, so now we are starting to put some of the bird into the pan with olive or vegetable oil on it. And hopefully it'll fry up. Hopefully. I need to put it on medium-high. Yeah? Alright guys, so I'm done cooking, and this is the end product. And got a plate about 5 or 6 of the little nuggets. So let's go ahead and give it a try. I'm gonna dip it in ketchup and hopefully it's good. Got my sweet tea if it's not. It's not bad. It's not good, but it's not bad. Alright guys, so it's been about an hour since I've eaten that dove. And I was waiting to see if maybe it was undercooked and I'd get like a stomachache. But I didn't. And dove was okay. It smelled like a locker room. But the meat was okay. And yeah, I would probably try it again and add some different things to it, but I'd probably most likely, next dove I kill, wrap it in bacon with the jalapeno. But we did get pretty much all the meat off that dove as we could, and it needed more spice, I feel like. If it had more spice, it might have been a little bit better, but there's always next time. So thank you guys for watching. Make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and I'll catch you guys next video.